Hi kids, I am back again with plus 4's big friends formula. What is the big friends formula of plus 4? Very easy. We have watched all your previous videos, so now we know how to tell the formula. Okay, that is plus 10 minus 6. Where will I do this? Where I don't have beads left for 4 and I can't do small friends also. For example, I have 6 only with me. I have to do plus 4. How will I do? I don't have beads. Add 10. Add God. Less friend. Less 6. Clear? I have 7 with me. Can I do plus 4? No. Add God. Less 6. Add God. Less friend. Clear? Now do a big question with me. Do. Add 3. Add 5. Add 1. Minus 2. Add 2. Add 4. Add 4 I can't do, so I will do add 10 and less 6. Clear? When I am giving you big questions now, don't look at my screen, do it yourself. Then you can recheck with my answer, okay? Okay. See you in the next video, guys. If you have any doubt, drop it in the comment section, okay? Bye bye.